This is my PC. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make it. These are the blocks you're going to need to build the PC. And leave some 2x1s right there on the side. And make sure you have 2 blocks open in the middle. You're going to want to add them like this. Don't forget to add them like this. Now, add another block like that. You're going to want to put your block like that. And then add your PC thing. You're going to get these signs and paint them black. You can paint your desk any color you want. And then, you're going to want to put your gigantic PC right here. And then you can like put some starfish on it and like paint it like glowing colors so it can like look good. Now you're going to want to build your seat like this. Now you got your working PC.